When it comes to architectural design in BTM Layout, Bangalore, there are several top firms that have made a name for themselves in the industry. One such firm is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, known for their innovative and creative approach to designing spaces. With a team of highly skilled and experienced architects, SCON Design has managed to carve a niche for itself in the competitive architectural design market. What sets SCON Design apart from other firms is their commitment to delivering unique and functional designs that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. They understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. From residential buildings to commercial spaces, SCON Design has successfully completed a wide range of projects, earning them the reputation of being one of the top architectural designers in BTM Layout. SCON Design's success can be attributed to their attention to detail and ability to seamlessly blend aesthetics with functionality. Their designs not only look visually appealing but also serve a purpose. Whether it's creating efficient office spaces or designing sustainable homes, SCON Design ensures that every design is thoughtfully crafted to optimize the use of space and enhance the overall user experience. Another reason why SCON Design stands out among other architectural design firms in BTM Layout is their ability to stay updated with the latest industry trends and technologies. They are constantly exploring new materials, construction techniques, and design concepts to incorporate into their projects. This allows them to deliver cutting-edge designs that are both visually stunning and technologically advanced. SCON Design's client-centric approach is also worth mentioning. When it comes to finding the top architectural designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their innovative and creative approach to architecture, they have established themselves as one of the leading firms in the industry. SCON Design is known for their exceptional designs that blend functionality with aesthetics, creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also practical. Their team of talented architects and designers are experts in their field and have a deep understanding of the latest trends and technologies in architecture. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural firms is their commitment to client satisfaction. They believe in working closely with their clients to understand their vision and requirements, and then translating that into a design that exceeds expectations. SCON Design believes that architecture is not just about creating buildings, but about creating experiences. They strive to create spaces that evoke emotions and leave a lasting impression on the people who interact with them. They have successfully completed a wide range of projects, including residential buildings, commercial spaces, educational institutions, and healthcare facilities. Each project showcases their attention to detail and their ability to create unique and functional spaces. Whether it's designing a modern